guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, a few 10 minutes ago, we went to a store and I got a Rubik's Cube, and it's really good. Like, it's really nice and all that. It's not even, it's just clean. So I got it and it was pretty good, and my brother got so many toys, like seriously, but some of them are really creepy. Like, what happened with, that's the nose. And this is the more creepier. Okay, so he got this big toy, but then if you press right here and just put them where it's have a start, like, and opens here. But it's pretty cool because you can open it and all that. So yeah, that's but it makes another noise, but I don't know where's my other thing. That thing. Like, here's an elephant. I don't know. Well, you can open all the doors and, like, yeah, it's pretty cool. I think for me it's pretty cool. Like, but you can't open this one. So, like, yeah. And yeah, guys. So, and yeah, I changed my intro. I changed my photos and all that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Well, see you guys later. So right now it's 11:56 and I've been here like an hour. Well, for me it's like an hour because I'm not doing nothing. So I already solved the blue one, but I didn't solve the other one. I'm like right here, and I don't want to miss the blue one because it was really hard. So yeah, it's pretty boring here. And right now my mom gives this to me, but I've never tried it. Seriously, I've never tried it before. And it's this cookie and it has like brown. Let me try it. Oh my god. It's really hard. And now we'll try the other one. And then this one. And I never tried it before, like, seriously, I never tried it. And they call rosquillas criollas. So let's open it. Smells like cheese. The cheese. Okay. 1, 2. Let me try it. Then I'm gonna be trying it. This one they call and they're like this. So my mom was eating it, so yeah. Because my aunt gave it to her. And they call it rings. Well, in English they call it English. In your over. They're really good. Yeah, I need to focus. I don't want to solve the orange, but I messed up. I made blue one. So I can. And please subscribe and click the bell for notification, and you can see more vlogs with me. And sometimes I'll pray for you. We'll see you guys at 2. So right now, guys, So right now, guys, I don't know why it's my camera like this, but whatever. Okay, now it's good. So right now it's 2:02. Early 2:02. And yeah, right now I'm at the bathroom because my mom was in the lunchroom and I was there, so I didn't want to vlog. Yeah. So oh my gosh. Yeah, I didn't bring my buddy. So now what do I do? Yeah, they're pretty boring, my vlogs. But what ups? Sometimes I do vlogs, but I don't post them. So like, because they're really funny, but I don't post them. Comment down below if you want me to do a funny video one day. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah. Oh my god. And this is the dress of today. I have this t-shirt that has a t-shirt down and have my thingy. I have this accessory that's a glove thingy that I forgot how to call college? No, wait. Okay, whatever. And yeah. And this short down so really big. So like this and this band then I got for my birthday. Yeah. Oh my gosh. And then we have right here some this is some scented hand lotion. Let me smell. I don't smell nothing because I can't smell. I'm sick. So yeah. Oh my god. It says scented hand lotion, tea tree oil, and bite. Well, it says right here. Okay, whatever. I think it. Okay. Oh. Okay. You can put this one. You can put a coin right here and take it in the open. So yeah. I don't know how to do a Rubik's Cube. But one of my teachers in 4th grade, she knows how to do it. But this year she's not gonna be here because she's gonna have some time with her son. Because he barely came in a while. So yeah, and his other son, he broke his arm. These shoulders went back, like he was playing and he jumped, and they were playing with the jump rope, and he fell on the ground. His arm went like this. So yeah. I'll see you guys when it's 7. So you guys don't see me. So I got to my house. Alright. Yeah, I changed of clothes. And yeah, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you like it. You like it. And click the subscribe button for more videos like this. And I mean blocks. And yeah guys, so and click the bell for notification, and you can get all my vlogs when I post it. Yeah. Okay, whatever. And yeah guys, so subscribe, click the bell, and give it a thumbs up. And if you want a shout out, comment down below. Done. If you like all my videos, subscribe and click the bell. And yeah guys, see you in the next vlog.